Now, you mentioned earlier, you started talking about some of the AI and embracing AI and some of the other technologies, big data, cloud, etc. How do you think that's affecting sales leadership today? Some of these digital aspects that really, frankly, leaders should be embracing, but may not be. How is it affecting sales leadership?
Sure. So, as I mentioned, the tsunami of tech that is happening right now, elastic cloud, big data, IoT, AI, and specifically AI if you look at what's happening with open AI and chat GBT, not only that, but also having a incredible CRM tool, if that's Zoho or Salesforce, and a marketing automation tool that's a bolt on to your CRM. But AI is a game changer. And that's why I had mentioned earlier in the podcast that aside from all the great traits and focus and hunger and honesty and integrity and work ethic you want in a sales leader or an A-playing account executive, is how proficient are they at maneuvering technology in their CRM, marketing automation, sales enablement, and at a basic level, the Microsoft suite of products. But AI is a game changer for sales leader today. And, I recently read a HubSpot article on AI that helps sales leaders automate those manual tasks for their team and themselves. And that frees up a lot of time, those AI chatbots, but it allows those sales leaders, but specifically those sales reps, to redeploy from C and D level tasks to A level tasks. And that is a key component to AI. As you know, AI is going to evolve. It is right now, is like having an AI superhero assistant in terms of how it's helping radiologists not look at them solely, but in concert with a radiologist, and that can crunch that data and find things. It's freeing up multiple half hours per week for sales leaders and sales reps to generate email, buyer personas, a pitch deck. And let me home in specifically on a couple of 3 AI tools. One is ChatGPT, which right now you can subscribe to. It's a token-based system, and it's awesome. We use that for typing in industry challenges. Let's say we're selling an insurance product and we're dealing with the chief risk officer. I would type in key sales organizational threats, challenges for a chief risk officer in a major insurance company. Boom, it spits them out. The next search, what are the areas of opportunity to add value to this individual's role? Boom. Next one, write a buyer persona on a chief risk officer at a major insurance company. Boom. Then what you can do, and that gives you some insight beyond search, and it's unbelievable. So we use that all the time when we're working, training, coaching with sales reps and sales teams to really get some detailed background on the organization. And then, having LinkedIn Premium to send an email if need be, but really to connect with them and do a good job on research and preparation of the company and the individual. The other, I don't know if you're familiar with Tome, Tome. Tome is a great AI PowerPoint generating tool that you can type in the search, and it's free. Type in the search bar with these parameters, create a sales deck on X, and it'll come back, give you royalty-free images, and create probably 50 to 60% of the content. And then I go to DALL-E, DALLE, which you can create some really cool graphics to lay on to that presentation. Those 3 tools right there can save anywhere from 3 to 5 hours for sales reps each and every week. You can also use it to generate captivating emails and content for a white paper or a position paper.
Great idea there. I'm going to add in FlyMSG. The FlyMSG AI and what we're doing. In fact, it was interesting. As of right now, through 2023, we helped typed nearly 900 million characters for our customers. 900 million characters. And when I say characters, literally that's typing content out for them, whether it's with AI or through the auto text expander where they don't have to actually type it, they can just deploy a shortcut. And so the benefit, though, that to your point is all about productivity savings, yeah? And on average, our customers were utilizing FlyMSG to do LinkedIn engagement. So we've got our FlyMSG AI tools that we started rolling out to scale LinkedIn commenting. The big challenge there is a seller or a sales, a BDR or SDR. It takes them on average between 6 to 12 minutes just to engage with a target buyer's post. Why? 1, I have to go to Doug's profile. 2, I have to read all of his posts. 3, I then have to determine which one I'm going to write an intelligent response to. 4, I have to write the response. 5, I have to edit that post and then hit post, right? Or that comment, excuse me. So what we did is we brought AI right into the mix, and now you can actually scale your commenting. And it takes, instead of 6 to 12 minutes, which if you had 50 prospects at 12 minutes a piece, you're sitting at 12 hours. If I'm 50% wrong and it's taking 6 minutes, you're sitting at 6 hours, right? So now you can do that in less than 2 minutes in terms of engagement. So now we can really talk about scaling it. And that is huge. Even if the AI is wrong, say 50% wrong, we still got you 50% closer to than where you were. And that is productivity savings. That's the point, right?